few years ago, editing on mobile was mostly about effort. If you wanted your video to feel better, the common solution was simple. Add more. More cuts, more effects, more transitions, more adjustments. The idea was that complexity equals quality. But in 2026, something has quietly shifted. Better videos are no longer made by doing more. They are made by fixing the right things first. Most videos don't feel weak because the creator lacks creativity. They feel weak because of small friction points that are easy to miss during editing. The audio might not be clear enough. The lighting may change between clips. The pacing may feel slightly uncomfortable, or the captions might be visually overwhelming. And here's the interesting part. Capcut already has tools to deal with most of these issues. Instead of cutting right away, a better starting point is simply listening. Before touching the visuals, clean the audio. Using tools like noise reduction or voice enhancement can make a surprising difference. Clear sound changes how the entire video is perceived. When the voice becomes easier to understand, the visuals often feel more stable as well. Once the audio feels comfortable, pacing becomes the next focus. Tools that help remove pauses can improve flow, but they should be used thoughtfully. The goal is not to eliminate silence completely. Small breathing spaces are essential because they allow ideas to settle. Perfectly tight timing can feel mechanical. Natural rhythm allows the video to feel human. A slight pause after an important point can often do more than an extra visual effect. With pacing in place, attention can shift to the visuals. Before chasing any cinematic look, it helps to stabilize the footage. Matching brightness and exposure between clips creates a sense of continuity. Auto-adjust tools can serve as a starting point here, helping to bring different clips into the same visual range. Consistency builds trust. Stylistic choices only become effective once that trust exists. A dramatic color style applied to inconsistent footage often feels distracting rather than impressive. Instead of relying on random zooms for energy, small reframing changes can improve focus, keeping the subject slightly above the center of the frame. Captions can also enhance understanding, but they work best when simplified. Auto captions provide a useful base, yet keeping every word can create visual noise. Removing filler words and keeping meaningful phrases allows captions to guide thinking rather than overwhelm the viewer. In this way, captions become a support system for understanding instead of just a transcript. Only after clarity, pacing, and consistency are in place do effects truly make sense. At this stage, effects become reinforcement rather than decoration. Used this way, effects help guide attention. They don't replace meaning, they support it. When exporting, resolution matters not only for sharpness, but also for how the video holds up after compression. Higher resolution can help maintain clarity across different viewing environments, and clarity is often perceived as professionalism. Mobile editing hasn't become easier because of more effects. It has become smoother because repetitive fixes can now be handled more efficiently. The real improvement comes from the order in which things are done. When clarity comes first, pacing feels natural, visuals feel stable, and effects become supportive rather than necessary. Viewers don't stay for complexity. They stay for understanding. If this video helped you, and you want to keep improving, not just by following trends, but by actually understanding how clean, powerful editing works on your smartphone, you can support the channel by subscribing. Because here at ACE, all of you can edit, we believe anyone can create impactful edits once they understand the foundation behind them.